Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to create custom Shopify order statuses. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do is from your admin's panel, you need to head over to your settings from the bottom left side of your screen. And once you are there, you can see we have different type of options in here. You are going to be heading over to, like for example, we have shipping and delivery. So to create your custom shipping statuses, what you're going to do is you're going to need to create a new profile here. And once you click onto this option, you're going to need to add product. Select any product from this point. You're going to add your zones and markets and all that stuff. Once you do that, your custom order status is going to be created, and that is pretty much it for this video. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.